The results of a standard Proctor test is presented on the screen using a table. So first, plot the compaction curve. Second, determine the maximum dry unit weight of compaction and optimum moisture content. Then lastly, calculate the dry unit weight for the degree of saturation to be 80 and 90. Solve this using the specific gravity to be 2.72. So the first thing that we will do is find the moist unit weight and the dry unit weight. In finding the moist unit weight, we will use the formula moist unit weight is equal to the weight of wet soil in the mold all over the volume of the mold, and for the dry unit weight to be dry unit weight is equal to the moist unit weight all over the quantity of 1 plus the moisture content all over 100. So substituting all the values from the table, we will then get the values of the dry unit weight and the moist unit weight, which we will use to plot our graph. So since we already have the values for our dry unit weight and using the given values for our moisture content, we will now be able to plot our graph. So this is now the plot of the compaction curve as what you have seen on the presentation. So based on our graph, we will now be able to determine the maximum dry unit weight of compaction and the optimum moisture content. So based on the graph, our maximum dry unit weight of compaction is equal to 124.9 pounds per cubic foot. And the optimum moisture content is equal to 12.37%. Lastly, we will find the value of the dry unit weight for the degree of saturation to be 80 and 90 given the value of the specific gravity to be 2.72 and also given the value of the unit weight of water to be 62.4 pounds per cubic foot. So, the value of the dry unit weight is equal to the specific gravity multiplied by the unit weight of water all over the quantity of 1 plus the specific gravity multiplied by the moisture content all over the saturation. So, substituting all the values from our table, we will now get the value of the dry unit weight for the degree of saturation to be 80 to be 133.43 pounds per cubic foot. And the value of our dry unit weight for the degree of saturation to be 90 to be equal to 139.68 pounds per cubic foot. That's all. Thank you.